So today I am going to explain you electricity and circuits. Okay, so this is for 6th standard. Yes or no? So when we talk about electricity and circuits, see, you should know the materials or substances are of two types. Okay, substances are of two types. One is what? Conductor. Okay, one is what? Conductor. Second is what? Insulator. Second is what? Insulator. So what is conductor? The materials or the substances which allow the electric current to pass through them. Okay, the substances which allow electric current, which allow electric current to pass through them. To pass through them. Okay, examples: metal. All metals are generally conductors, like aluminum. Okay, Al, aluminum, iron, Fe, copper, Cu, gold, Ag, Au, gold, silver, Ag. Yes or no? So these all are conductors. Insulator means what? These are the substances which do not allow the electric current to pass through them. Okay, the substances which do not allow, electric current to pass through them. Electric current or electricity is same thing. Okay, to pass through them. Pass through them. Example, you can say non-metals. Okay, non-metals. Okay, like oxygen, sulfur, chlorine, etc. Even plastics and woods are what? Insulators. Plastics, okay, woods, yes or no? So these are what? Insulator. You should know charge is of two types. How many types of charge is there? Two types. One is positive charge, other is negative charge. Charge. Okay, it is of two types. It is of two types. First one is what? A positive charge. Okay, positive charge. Positive charge we are writing plus. Okay. Second is what? A negative charge. Second is what? A negative charge. Okay, this is minus. Correct? Now you should also know the like charges repel each other. Okay. Very important point. Like charges repel each other. Like charges repel each other. Like whenever plus and plus, one object is there which is plus charge, other object is there plus charge. When they are brought together, okay, so what will happen? Repulsion will happen. What will happen? Repulsion will take place. Okay. Unlike charges attract each other. Second point is what? Unlike charges attract each other. Attract each other. See, what will happen with the negative charges? They are like charges, their repulsion will take place. Repulsion. Yes or no? Okay, unlike charges attract each other. Unlike charges attract each other. Like plus and minus, what will happen? They are unlike charges, different charges means unlike charges. So here attraction will happen. What will happen? Attraction. Plus minus attraction. Okay, minus plus also attraction because they are unlike charges. Yes or no? Okay, so in the current electricity, you should know some. You should know about cell. Okay, what is cell? Cell is like it contains it is a source of energy. What is the cell? Source of energy. It is having one plus and one minus. Okay, you have said you have seen the cell like which is used in the watch. Okay, which is used in the torch. Have you seen that? torch battery we say na, in generally we are saying torch battery. Okay, so how it is like this it looks, correct na? Have you seen or this or not? Shweta? So
Yes, sir.
yeah, so this is a cell, we have seen this, so one side plus is there, one side minus is there, so we can represent, this is the cell representation, plus minus. Okay, cell representation is like this.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you should know some other symbols also. I'll discuss other symbols, okay, which is used in the electric circuit. So first you should understand, suppose I'm taking one atom, okay, any atom I'm taking, okay, so this is a, suppose I'm taking a metal substance, I'm taking like a copper, metals, anything is there. So you know that metals contains charge particle, yes or no? Negative charge, positive charge. So I'm just showing the electrons. Okay, this is a minus charge is
Yes,
what?
sir.
Yeah, minus charge is electrons.
It will be in the shell.
No, no.
No,
I'm
sir,
just
it
showing
will
for
be in the
conductor.
normal
This
shell.
is for conductor. Okay.
Okay.
I'll come to the cell later. So this is I'm showing any metal like iron, copper. Okay, like copper. Okay, so they are having free electrons. What they are having free electrons. So what I'm doing, I'm just trying to connect this with the help of a cell. So I'm drawing the diagram. Okay, through wire I'm connecting. Through wire I'm connecting. Okay. This is a positive of the cell, and this is negative of the cell. Big one is what? Positive of the cell. This is positive, this is negative. Now this is plus na, so here plus is plus charge will come. Here minus is there, means here minus charge will come. As we know that unlike charges attract each other or repel each other. Unlike charges repel each other. Like charges, like charges repel each other. Like charges repel each other. Yes or no? So here minus is there, here minus is there. So electrons will move in this direction. Electrons will come in this direction. Here plus is there, minus is there. So unlike charges attract each other. Yes or no? So electrons will come in this direction. We will get attracted. So we can see all the electrons are moving from B to A. Okay, this is B end, this is A end. So electrons are moving from where to where? B to A. So current will be produced in this from A to B. Current will be produced in the A to B direction. See, you have to remember direction of current is always okay opposite to the flow of electrons. Very important points. Note the direction of current. The direction of current. Current means electric current. Okay, is opposite to the flow of electric current. Flow of electric current. Electric current. So how we are going to define electric current? Electric current is nothing but charge flowing per unit time. Okay, we can write electricity or current electricity is nothing but charge upon time. Okay, charge upon time. This is the basic definition of electric current. Electric current is nothing but charge upon time. Okay. Now you should also understand SI unit of charge is coulomb. Okay, what is SI unit of charge? Coulomb. SI unit of charge is coulomb. Okay, we are writing as a capital C. Next, SI unit of time. What is the SI unit of time? SI unit of time is second. Okay, we are writing like notation S. And SI unit of electric current. SI unit of electricity. Current electricity or electricity. Current electricity. SI unit of current electricity is ampere. What is SI unit? Ampere. So we are writing like a A. Okay. So as I told you, electricity is what? Charge by time. Okay. What is electricity? Electricity is nothing but a charge by time. Charge upon time. Okay. Suppose a charge is 1 coulomb, time is 1 second. So current electricity is said to be 1 ampere. 1 by 1 is what? 1. Okay. So whenever 1 coulomb of charge flows for 1 second through the conductor, so the current is said to be 1 ampere. Okay. So this is the basics. Now we talk about some symbols we are using. Okay. In the electric symbols that you should know. Okay. Like how we are representing switch, how we are representing wire. Okay, so this is for switch, this is a representation. This is electric switch, which is open switch we can say. Okay, if it is like this, so what is this symbol? Closed switch, closed switch. Okay, this is the symbol of wire. Okay, next A for ammeter. Okay, ammeter means what? It is a device which is used to measure the current. Okay, it is a device which is used to measure the current. Measure the current. How much current is flowing in the circuit? With the help of ammeter, we can measure the current. Okay. Similarly, we have a V. If it is written V for voltmeter. Okay, voltmeter is a device which is used to measure the voltage. It is a device which is used to measure the voltage. Okay. Now you should also know some more symbols like C. This is the symbol of resistance. Resistor. Okay, resistors. Okay, it is available in the market. Okay, so you can see resistor symbol is like this. If it is like this and like this, this is a variable resistor. Means whose value is not fixed. Variable resistor. Variable resistor. Okay. Okay. If it is like this, this is the symbol of electrical lamp or electric bulb. Electric lamp or bulb. Okay. If it is like this bulb is not glowing. But if they are showing like this, okay, so it means bulb glowing. But this bulb glowing bulb. Okay, bulb is glowing. Some more symbols will take. If it is like this, means a wire crossing over. Okay, these wires. This is one wire passing, and this wire, another wire is passing, which is not touching. This is what? Wire crossing over. Wire crossing over it. Okay, crossing over each other. If one wire is like this, other wire is like this, they are jointed. This is what? A jointed wire. Okay, these wires are what? A jointed. Okay, so these are the electric symbols you should know. So what is electric circuit? Electric circuit I will show you. Okay, electric circuit, simple example I am giving. Electric circuit. One second. Circuit. Circuit. So it contains electrical component like a cell, okay, like a bulb, like a switch. So I'm just showing one bulb is here. One bulb. Okay, I'm showing one switch here. Switch is there. And a cell is like this. This is an electric cell. Electric cell symbol. If you connect two or more cell, okay, this is called as battery. What is this called as? Battery. So this is cell I am just drawing. This is a cell. So this is a simple circuit, electric circuit, which contains a cell which contains a switch and which contains a bulb. Okay, so this switch is what, closed or open? Is it open or closed? You can see here, this is open switch. When switch is open, the current will not pass through it, so bulb will not glow. So when bulb will glow, so I'm just showing another case. If this is a switch is closed, this is a closed switch connected to a cell, okay, and this is a bulb. Now when the switch is closed, so current will pass through this. When current will pass through this, so this bulb will glow. Understood? So this is about electric circuit. Okay. See, generally ammeter is connected in the circuit in series. Okay. Ammeter, as I told you, it is a device which is used to measure the current. Current means I. So if you connect here in the circuit ammeter, so how you are going to connect? You have to connect in series. Okay, so this is the bulb is there, right? So electricians, if they want to know how much current is passing, they will connect one ammeter here. So once you connect ammeter, so it will give you readings. Okay, like current will be in ampere or milliampere. Okay, a SI unit of current is what? Milliampere or ampere. SI unit of current is ampere. Current is ampere. So suppose here 10 volt of battery is connected. Okay, and resistance of the bulb is suppose 5. So we have a formula, V is equal to IR. Okay, V is what? Potential. Okay, potential is equal to current into resistance. So current is equal to what? V by R. One formula is there. So voltage is given 10 volt, resistance is given 5. So how much current will pass? 2 ampere. How much current will pass? 2 ampere. So this ammeter will give a reading of 2 ampere. Okay. Similarly, voltmeter is connected in parallel. Voltmeter is connected in parallel. That also you should know. Voltmeter, what is voltmeter? It is a device which is used to measure the voltage. Okay, voltage we can measure. So how we will connect in the parallel? It is connected parallelly. It is connected parallelly in the circuit. Okay, so here I am showing the circuit. This is the bulb is there. Okay, this is the switch here which is closed, connected to the V volt battery. Okay, a cell. Okay, so when the current is passing through this bulb will glow. Correct na? If you want to know how much voltage is there, so you have to connect a voltmeter here like this in parallel. Okay, so this is a little some concepts of electric current and circuits. Okay, so if you like this video, so please just share with your friends. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you.